Learn some easy Scottish Gaelic. So today I thought we could go over a couple of phrases used to describe different people, whether that's people in your family or just men, women, children, boys, girls. There are different terms that we all like to use, and I thought we could start with baby. So that is baby, baby, baby. Just keeping it simple. Next we can say children, so Chlann, a clown, a clown. Now this is where I'm going to make things a little bit different, because I know those of you that learn on Duolingo for girl learn Cailleach, 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 but you might often hear me say in my videos Nighean, Nighean, Nighean. Both are correct, just, whichever one you prefer. So for boys, you can use Gille, Gille, Gille. Or you can use Balach, Balach, Balach. Now for men, we can use Duine, Duine, Duine. Or we can use Fireanach, Fireanach, Fireanach. And for women, we use Boireannach, Boireannach, Boireannach. For an old woman, we would say chailleach, chailleach, chailleach. And for an old man, we would call him a Bodach, Bodach, Bodach. These are just a couple of phrases that you can use. Not phrases, these are a couple of words that you can use, and I think I will do a couple of more descriptive words, whether you want to describe someone as tall or short or bald or what colour hair or colour eyes. And yeah, let's get back into this.